Biventricular repair surgery is really a team effort. It requires surgeons, cardiologists, intensive care unit doctors, nurses, respiratory therapists, and imaging folks who are all really dedicated to thinking about the heart, the complex heart, in a very holistic fashion. I think Boston Children's Hospital has really dedicated significant resources and has really allowed surgeons to perform really difficult procedures that can't be done in most centers. And by providing nursing staff and physician staff who are really experts in this field, that's really what allows us to do these types of procedures.
We see patients from right down the street to across the country and other countries who come here for the biventricular repair. A good thing to note is that every single patient is treated the same. We provide all the support we can give them, and they're all reviewed by the medical team in great depth to provide the best for them or their child. There will be a surgical case coordinator that will respond to your inquiry within 24 to 48 hours. They'll go over the second opinion process in great detail. They'll help you collect you or your child's records, and then they will present it to the doctors, who will then present you or your child's case at the Biventricular Repair Group. The Biventricular Repair Group is a group of not only surgeons, but also cardiologists that work together to formulate a plan of care for you or your child that is best suited their clinical needs. Once the doctors have reviewed everything, they will put together a letter including their assessment and recommendations that will be provided to you through email, and then the case coordinator will continue to guide you throughout the second opinion process. If you or your child are interested in coming here for care, we will continue to support you in every way we can through coming to Boston Children's Hospital, including tours, providing necessary paperwork, finding housing, really whatever you need. The surgical case coordinators are here to make that happen for you.